Alright, can you spread that on? Oh, good job, Sammy. Spread the frosting on. There you go. Max, are you spreading your frosting on?
No.
You're just cutting up your muffin? I mean your cupcake?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, this is our happy snow time. You guys having fun?
Yes.
Huh? This is like the best time ever, right? Yeah. Here we go. Yay, we're enjoying the snow. We got snow on our trays. We're making snow kitties and snow stars. Daddy's blowing bubbles. It seems to be mocking us. There we go. Pop some bubbles. Pop some bubbles, Sam.
Sammy, did you poop?
Yes.
Can we change your diaper? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Sammy. Hey, Sammy, are you very busy?
No.
Goes the mittens. What? Tell me some more. Yeah? 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 Snow? Is there snow out there? Is Doggy out there? Can you say night-night?
Yes.
Yeah.
Baby.
Baby's gonna go night-night? Does he need a blankie?
Yes. Yeah. Baby. Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna go to his own room. Max, can you say hi, Grammy?
Oh, I did.
Can you say hi, Grammy? Can you say hi, Bunny and Papa? Yeah, good job. That's very sweet.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Yeah, Papa. Say bye-bye, Papa.
Bye.
Okay, good job.